Hey there, it's Steve from SeriousKeto.com, and in this video we are going to make a keto-friendly barbecue sauce. But before we do that, if you're interested in keto cooking videos, product reviews, ingredient reviews, or lessons learned from my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button right down there, and click the bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos. This video is a companion to another one that I did where I created a keto-friendly barbecue rub, and I will link that below as well as up there. I think there. We'll see if it pops up or not. Like that recipe, this one is also a keto riff on one by Jeff Phillips at smokingmeat.com. So if you like barbecue, that's a great site. I encourage you to check it out. This is sort of what I call a base sauce, because you can build off it in different directions. You may like it perfectly as I make it in this video, but it's something you can build on if you want a sweeter sauce. You could add more of the sugar-free syrup or artificial sweeteners. If you like a tangier sauce, you could add some apple cider vinegar. And if you like a hotter sauce, you could add more chili powder or Tabasco. But why don't we just get on with making it? For this recipe, we are going to need 1 full bottle of Heinz no sugar added ketchup, and I will include the link to that in the description below. 1/2 cup of Log Cabin sugar-free syrup, again I will include the link to that below. 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of Sucre Gold, again I will include the link to that below, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of the hot sauce of your choice, Tabasco or Louisiana hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground black pepper. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add your ketchup, syrup, Worcestershire sauce, and lemon juice. Whisk until thoroughly mixed together. Add your Sucre Gold and whisk that in. Add the garlic and hot sauce, whisk them both in, and finally add the coarse ground black pepper and whisk that in. At about 5 minutes, the sauce will start to bubble. So take the heat down to medium-low and continue to simmer for the next 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Our sauce is done. Now we're just going to let it cool for at least a half an hour. Once cooled, you can transfer your barbecue sauce to a mason jar or a squirt bottle, like your old ketchup bottle. Let's give it a taste. Ooh. It's pretty good stuff. And it's got a little bit of a bite at the end. One of the things I'll tell you is that a little bit of a bite at the end. The flavor does intensify on this as it sits in the fridge for a day or two. So my recommendation is try out this base recipe. If you want something a little bit more tangy, add a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you want something a little more sweet, you can up the amount of sucrin. And if you like it spicier, add another teaspoon or 2 of hot sauce or chili powder. But I think this is a great start. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out the other one up there on the barbecue rub. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.